Ghana, on what to say?
Osumi hoyo. Nyame adam ma hoyo na wonso e.
Oh, nyame adom, ibi aboko. We dey so je hu dey abodin ene ba bia ofiri o Ghana.
Okay, median kasa de frame me. Akwesi Gerald Enoch. The door na frame me Geraldo. Na Ghana so me free bonga half brekum, yeah.
Oh, brekum. Oh, okay.
Bro.
Na sa woni do manwa.
Debi me bendo ma. Yeah.
Okay. Na eye dey na be ma dey woni nurse adwuma dey because you say man na tie nurse na be ma dey eba na say dey na inspire wa be eye nurse ni e Ghana.
Question ready. Question. Yeah, seriously, nursing it wasn't something that a work from the onset, like na nyadia never my dream say na meye mum. But me my work you call university, you call high school. Na kai say maybe your seniors been free university any and ben kasai. So in been more high or more nursing. Some reason I said a BSc in nursing degree in nursing about fresh. It's minimum mu free school mu buy and be di nursing ho dance papa be share. Me as a science student I'd wanted to be an engineer and I be bisa. It's more case degree in nursing a good course near the day now we are even class up so medical doctor you beat me up near the day. And I see me and I'm cool feeling so my mother sounds of catch me. So on the crown nursing training or person me call. So person me a nurse man.
Okay.
Na me go nursing training college na me be a nurse. Me so na me share importance e won nursing mu adwuma sem ne ade na me hu say that would be the right choice me make e be boa me. Enti me mani share hono. Yeah.
Okay. Enti na just say we be say o dey yebebo wura all the time. Enti for how long na wa UK?
UK. Me fan say my UK afia ye be me March na is my din fee 9 no 4 years in the UK.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, so I'm getting there.
Okay. Anna currently we are adwuma wa enfa. Like person me say it's a UK the omo so boy just care home obi or say NHS obi or say
Yeah, I'm currently the mini NHS na yeah Juma.
okay.
Yeah.
All right. Abusian for aha aye COVTVGHANA. I am also for chama. Mene aye nurse ni panyini kese ba ko apim ewo aye Ghana Beyond Borders dwumadi so. Aye ne Ghana for ewo akwantum atwentwen komo efa nneema a ekoso ewo akwantum komo fa so man so matimi aba excel. Na ye ne opanyi Girado osesa na opese ye frɛ no Girado. Opanyi yenhwɛ eye abrochire nursing na yebe compare kakra de ewura eye Ghana die mu enti ma yenhwɛ sɛ die enti na obi a wonya inspiration wo Ghana sɛ da bi mpɛsɛ me ye degree nursing ma be nurse panyin so wo Ghana die na ba sɛ da bi na me nwane mmra abrochire die na motivate you sɛ me move to abroad I mean na me ko practice nursing no.
And also a pa issue pa in fact me share nurse na anya my dreams me too kwan abe nurse no hano. But wa woni me kura wo na ya na to da na nneema bi nhye da nkoyie sa. Enye ni na nkoyie ba to da nneema bi nhye da nkoyie and me dwen ho say ade ba ko kese pa pushi me kese was 2020. Yeah, me kai somewhere na ye complaining of allowances near the cost say ye cost strike by who do you see all of a sudden you're paying for catchers say you retracted by strike na yen share juma say enti near na ye pen kra no yen san ka ba kumpo na ye share cost of living near the na your salaries near the na you say in shedam wanye sika nko nti e call nursing mu but na nurse for so sabi and so ye live good I know so ye ni na ka ho ne adesua sɛ wobenya experience free country fufuo mu nyinaa ka ho na the free Ghana yeah yes I
Okay.
may bet so abesua foreign nursing no kakra ka ho na other staff no so say the medical abono and also me kakra ahyɛ me ho
I see. Enti obai wonu ho ana.
me no me ho me ka say me no me ho dia na me trofo me no me ho
Okay.
because experience na na me ka say na me pese me ya no me nya bi me kususu nya
Okay. All right. Me gidi say ukra eye NMC pin efri Ghana na obedru UK a enye se oba ya na wabehye nurse ase. So bi tie
yeah
na ebi ono nso o nurse ni o Ghana na ono nso pese bi a ofa kwan bi so no be piem wo eye UK na obe practice ne nurse a. Ufri Ghana no unya nurse ni street ana ade ba ya na so fa kwatikwan bi so na ade ba ya. Obetime dey afa process im kakra.
uh, okay yeah your friend is saying obi a obeba UK bia no even say NHS na ebe foul ana care home na ebe foul ana agency bi na do beba say oye nurse wo Ghana normally no say what shall process na say e wo Ghana dada watchro say IELTS ana CBT no wo Ghana na say wo bakra na still na ye do sha say free band 3 nurse what is a healthcare assistant this is NHS we are pre-registered na we are fully registered nurse so you'll be working obey adwuma to say healthcare assistant say care home na do ba ya and also sa and I want binum so omu free Ghana e ba no omo ntwe exams bia aha enti no nso sa ni pa no nso no obetimi aba be yet to say care assistant na wahye ne exams ni na se e wo ha CBT IELTS no any registration na e wo UK ha no enti obi ani ho a ofree Ghana bus street as fully registered nurse in the UK the person nipan beba as say oye pre-registered nurse I oye band 3 me fan say metimi de na to healthcare assistant home cause he say obetro ne other exams na your friend Oski practical exams na we na any NMC UK amano pin amana dia ye adwuma okrom ha as a registered nurse. And
Okay.
see, I also went through that process na and see me buy no me be band 3 nurse ni bi healthcare ni bi kakra till say me we me exams na be fully registered.
Oh, okay. Internet say me ti ase ya o Ghana na say o ye nurse ni na ukra NMC. I mean we are registered with NMC. Na say o pesa o ba UK a na be practice nursing na o kan IELTS. Eno ne ye
Yeah,
English language yi test na ba ye no. Ana o
exactly.
kan CBT so ana o kan OSCE. Sa exams nyina betima o Ghana ansa na waba.
Emu mienu na ubitmaya no wɔ Ghana. English language test na yɛfrɛ no IELTS no. Ubitmaya no wɔ Ghana. Ɛna CBT no nso a ɛno ɛyɛ computer based test ɛno nso ubitmaya no wɔ Ghana. But OSCE na ɛno yɛ practical exams ne deɛ. Agye sɛ woba UK hanom na NMC UK ɛde wo fam ɛno na nti NMC UK na ɛbɛsɛte ama nti ɛndɛ kurom ha pɛ na ubitumi ayɛ no.
Okay. All right. Enti no based on IELTS no ene your friend is saying CBT
CBT.
ne de obetim da bewrem. Unya bedura
Exactly.
na afi no abaye OSCE no. All right. Yemfa na so abewrem. Ubewrem no. Oba as bantre said the wow chichiri mu no. Obaye bia od betoto ayi ho. Fa share sa experience ne kakra. Emaye. Bone tofa. Untimi kan nyina de kakra bi na fa hye nkran. Na so obi na mu kra na wo ho say nye the end results na no.
Okay. All right. So and then yeah, we find this a nice experience though. So with band 3 no, send America no ebi wa care company na do be ba care home na do be ba it is a care home na do ba ya then you so only care home no and a year juma. Enti me care company na de me buy, care home na de me buy. Enti me be adwuma man no. Ose me was that kind of thing. Healthcare as senior care assistant.
Okay.
Say until no do ba be adwuma man cause say obetro exams na wi. Um ɛyɛ den because adwuma no wode toto nurse na adwuma na wɔyɛ no ho a is difference wɔ mu kakra because wobɛyɛ adwuma bi a nka wɔmpɛ sɛ nka wobɛyɛ
Okay.
ha but sɛ wopagya mbinom woyɛ but ne nyinaa ka ho because ne nyinaa ka training no ho ne nyinaa ka ho na wowie a na wonya opin a wobi appreciate obi adwuma a wɔyɛ no wɔ kurom a wɔ healthcare no nti me fa no process ne sɛ ɛka ho bi nti manhyɛ da ɔdo sɛ ɛtɔ da na w'ani atete sɛ mewɔ Ghana anka but ne nyinaa no ka process no since you want to be a fully registered nurse with UK Hana dear at least and also ka ho say obesua mean kind of say lower bands and also ho adwuma kakra yeah
I'm say asem no wa na ni so ba ye pese udo mu so koma me say obeduru ye no according to nsem a wo kan kire say ntimi fiti preko pese o ye nurse ni emfa wo so o ye matron wo ye ho ahwan obeduru a obefa process nim na me kire say o process na afa mu no I said wa call SS foforo o call SS form 1 kwa de o betwu ye twu na so be udu third year na afa wo so utwi nkrofo normal na
yeah
obeduru ye no a owura eye care also be ye care ne ayi kakra na wa afa wo nwinwi se nurse ni pa ana wo ye enwuma bi se ma ye nwura care system wo no no eno be na challenges ben dey na ye etutu bi ama wo se we dey we dey enu kwansa anka bi ama wa bambuo kra o beginning stage na
I know the care na nkasa I mean fun is a aspect of nursing but no the basic of it all to say wo boa amanfoɔ wo dware amanfoɔ wo sesa amanfoɔ hɔ ɛno no wohia abotire because nipa na wo ne ɔmo yɛ adwuma bebree wɔ hɔ a like ɛsɛ wowɔ abotire ma ɔmo nipa no binom wɔ hɔ a ɔmo nte aseɛ binom wɔ hɔ a ɔmo wɔ yare bi a ɔmo nte nipa ase yie nti ɛyɛ adwuma a meka sɛ ɛyɛ den wohia abotire paa na ɛsan so yɛ demanding because say wo pagya obi said the midi kan no wo pagya obi enti me fa enu nyina mu like ebia previously na me pagya obi en season obi ho ne ade by ne I was supposed to learn all those stuff na say me sua say ne sesa bibibia wo sa na ma no
yeah Matthias yeah
enti adwuma no ya na ɛhɔ no ɛma no yɛ den kakra because when you think say oh adwuma wei ebi a menim say ebi a yɛyɛ ne sei but to the basic obi a wo ya wo na wadwene say ebi a woba bɛyɛ nurse na ɛbɛ like wadwene bɛyɛ wo say ready ha wabɔ mbɛbu kakra but ne nyinaa ka sɛ the music ne nyinaa ka process no ho ɛka nti I also went through the same process no.
okay all right mate enti no yemra nursing nim wabaye wo ski obedu UK take you how long asana wo dey tro west wo dey nya wo ski I mean wo dey tro oski no e pass nya opin
Meka say be within 6 months. Yeah.
hey amasa masa ne why are you
Oh, boss, do ya? Boss, same thing.
oh ampa na wo pe care na adwuma no
Now me pay, now me pay, now. Now me pay, boss.
hey 6
Now me
months
pay.
wow I think that the earliest so far mate
Now me pay, now you have anything.
the earliest and amasa why shark waben because the earliest so far if you ma me no me didn't come and 2 years 3 years 4 years it be
Oh.
1 year but why are there
Me ankasa no na this na me nim say oba Ubeba be deep ube this process ni say. Enti na me imagine say me buy me a nurse. It's me
Ah,
buy me who send me a city no then I sped up the process. Me no fast too.
okay. Enti yɛnhwɛ as a nurse, o typical work day ɛte sɛn like ɛfa sɛ wakɔ adwuma as a nurse o typical working day no deɛ na wofam process bɛn na wonam adwuma bɛn na woyɛ na
Okay.
yɛnte aseɛ ne care no nso yɛ no.
Okay, UK nursing no there were different aspect of it. Unlike Ghana na yeah juma hospital no. UK no your nursing home wo ho, your hospital setting wo ho. Your nurses or yeah juma prisons, your nurses or yeah juma or police custodies. A whole lot.
Ana
Um
community nso matters.
community or
Okay.
more community. It's a whole lot of different aspects of it. Um me being so menka say being so lucky matimi afa some of these areas in kakra nti me normal nursing day no me ntimi nka one person me ntimi nka one particular star because I've been able to go through the nursing care home no process no mu
Okay.
kakra.
Aneɛ we kura bɛboa yɛn fa yɛfa ne nyinaa mu kakra nkakra nursing no care home deɛ no structure no
Okay,
hospital structure no ana sɛ prison nso akɔ mu da ɛno nso kakra na yɛnhwɛ
okay,
na fa educate yɛ kakra. Okay.
okay, all right. Enti nursing home where I started from no to say nursing home no send a city ni nurses no any a year in charges of everything doctors any honum nti deɛ yɛyɛ no wɔ hɔ nyinaa no yɛ report de ba nurse nti nurse ni na yɛ clinician a sɛbi n'adwene mu dɔ anaa wakɔ school kɛseɛ wɔ hɔ saa na mɛkyerɛ mu a ɛteɛ nti on a normal day no wo nurse ni wo take over free nurse ni na wo take over free no hɔ no wie a wohwɛ what you are supposed to do because ọmụ work care home no and a nursing home no majority na yɛ aged ɛna majority no so yare na ɔmo yare no yɛ yare a ɛyɛ chronic yare a they are living with it
Okay.
nti ɛnyɛ yare a ɛyɛ acute ɛyɛ sɛ wɔsa ama nakɔ aha nti majority na adeɛ a bɛyɛ ne sɛ nea ɔyɛ ne nyinaa yɛ routine ɛyɛ duro wobɛma na duro sɛ bi a kuro bi na ɛda no ho a wobɛmia sɛ in case sɛ ebi a ebinom so hɔ a bi a ɔmokɔ dialysis ne ade nti sɛ ɔbɛkɔ dialysis ebi a mefa nso kita ɔwɔ kidney failure na ɔkɔ dialysis every week a ɔbɛ prepare na ama no akɔ ne dialysis aba apart from that no menhyɛ dɛ ho any major staff na sɛ bi obi ho so mfa no memfa no sɛ obi conditions sa because sɛdeɛ mesi kan no ɔmo anyini na ɔmo yareɛ no yɛ chronic nti ɛwɔ ɔmo ho dada but ɔhu sɛ ne yareɛ no asesa bi a ne ho ayɛ hyee ade foforɔ bi asesa a ɛsɛ ntɛmpa na wofrɛ na yɛde no kɔ hospital because hospital na yɛma acute care
Okay.
sɛnea obi a ɔyare a ne ho bɛtɔ do nti me normal day deɛ me take over wie a meyɛ me normal routine me manduro me check observations sɛ obi ho nyɛ a mahu ne ntɛmtɛm na mama no akɔ abɔnten hospital doctors akɔhwɛ no ɛna sɛnea carers ne si hwɛ ɔmo no nso no because sɛdeɛ medi kankan wo na woyɛ clinical head ɛwɔ sɛdeɛ menka ne saa wo na woyɛ obi a clinically no wo na wakɔ school wɔ w'anim as a nurse wɔ care home hɔ no nti wo na wobɛyɛ ɔmo care plans nti sɛnea yɛnsi mfa nhwɛ ɔmo sɛ yɛndware ɔmo a sɛnea yɛnsi mfa ndware ɔmo sɛnea yɛnsi mfa mpagya ɔmo nyinaa no wo na wobɛtwerɛ sɛnea carers no bɛdi so ɛde ahwɛ patients no a yɛka no sɛ care plans nti ɔmo care no a yɛde bɛma ɔmo wɔ nursing home no wo nurse no wo na wobɛyɛ nti normal day wobɛyɛ no wobɛkyɛ nduro and that's basically the responsibilities of a nurse basically a nurse or nursing home.
Okay. All right. Enti yɛnkɔ
Others were hot there, but no,
we
no,
there
it is
yɛntwa ne
details.
tɛw yɛnkɔ NHS nso wowɔ hospital ankasa.
Into NHS sets an idiot, a honor hospital, like I said, dear, a honor to say Ghana, dear, now, yeah, can you always, doctor around say a DB call a year, you consult the doctor to give advice on just say Ghana no nurses be na your patients you na I say ye nche my by hano ye che patients be a patient 5 4 3 6 7 or mo nurse ne wo enti ye che obi ani ni be enti okwa wo take over unim say wo hwe nipa 6 na ye wo de enti say wo hwe omo a all the nursing care sometimes e be ma carer enti care assistants no be boa with changing ne sa nema no but all the nursing care wo de be ma patient bia no ward ho no be ye wo be ma na dro be take blood nema ye no hospital bia de eno na be no ward enti eno no te say basically make us say te say Ghana hospital setting na
Okay. Na prison there and so when your experience kakra wo.
yeah, prison so setting no I know how to say nursing home the any be but prison no there were more doctors e wo ha mo ye GP but omo nko patient no ho directly nti nurses no be ko patient no ho akwa assessment na bibia nti say omo hia endura na ya nurse no betima a request every doctor no hwe no say ohu patient no face to face ya we ma patient na ba no to say GP surgery but say na otie dia wo nurse ni kon gi dia wo Canada obe prescribe a drone no then you continue ni na no nursing care no I woman here quite different in all of these areas because they are different settings which I wouldn't be able to give the details of it since different settings in Inti. But ni na no so your nurse the your nurse and I do ko ba you will be able to handle it and I'm say your nurse you training wo Ghana sabi unim left and right they will be able to go through all of them.
Okay, enti when your experience when me and say nyina no wo ankasa wo hwa ehfa na wo hu say aha de na nka mu ode nyanka me bo ho ma hotete.
You can dear me Judy say certain people her nurse Rebecca say a higher medicine baby what you man here dancing baby there Ghana. But for UK Hana the make us a word no since it looks like sending na word Ghana into no I would prefer the word more than the others because I say no na I'm used to more.
Yeah.
Aha, ena me wo Ghana ma ya nti eno no meka say no ho ne ye me de kakra sen others no but Ghana adwuma de de sen ba bi ade.
Okay. So Ghana adwuma ye den chen ba bi ade ma membusa wo say how different ye Ghana healthcare system no what they compare to UK at saying because what bonimi no nyina mu da nti wo betimi waso nso aso ansa wo be hu difference wo.
It's so different. In some aspects, so there I wouldn't say it's different. With the service, no, the service givers, no, I mean, finally say doctors, no nurses, no. I wouldn't say much. Say there is a lot of differences in that. The kind of ejuma nurses, ne doctors, ne yen Ghana, ne hano differences, no, and shut down. So, but differences, no, so when it comes to service, na yede mano. Aha, so me can say me can say because my cat two things so I confuse. Me can service providers to say doctors and nurses ne dia ye juma no ana juma na as a nurse obeye no Ghana no ne juma na as a nurse obeye no ha no ade a obeye no ha no wasua da wo ye nurse wo Ghana wonye da kra wasua da aha e bia hu na wunhu da nti e na e ha no so ye be ma training nti e den a ubehu how to go about it but services na ye de man majority of those services no ebiana Ghana wanya those services no because say obi anim say healthcare no and I'm say you free into no majority of the things no ubenya unlike senior Ghana so majority of the things no ebia yeah you have the doctors to do it you have the nurses to do it but the capacity money scanner e better saa de no ebia eni honom Into maybe you wouldn't get that kind of service. Apart from that, make I say, a difference no shed that and so to say, ubi or beba hospital be a man aduane anopa awia yunre.
Okay.
Say a free so untia, which is different in Ghana. Nurses are yewaha and nurses are more UK. So ba hospital now your jaw to her now you have the holistic care no esi wunya ye free wa you should be there like omu baza ya nurses are there, carers are there, which in Ghana we don't have those SaaS system no. Inti man kakra bi but me who say omu provide services ne de me fan say pianesa. Inti Ghana nurses ni Ghana doctors they are also up to the task. Just say near money akande ne near man ID omu di be adwuma na it me say bia different kakra.
Okay. Enti so o hwe a okay kan wo say doctor GP. Dey any GP. Any doctor and so se be no because how you so ni nyina afrafra. So obi hwe na
Okay.
on tiasia.
Okay. It's Hano system no ne say ye wo Ghana Quebec can say OPD sessions. I don't know your friend of GP surgery and no we here hospitalization and na se bia wuti pile ade kitwa bi how no I'll share was enye say you to hospital ho no ubetimi akohu sa OPD session no na sa doctor na ho no na your friend GP general practice.
Okay.
Na general practitioner enti ono no onim me fa ne say o generally enye specialist enti ono no bedi kan ahwew e wo me fa ne say OPD session me fa ne say basic level session enti so hwew na say wo hia specialized care ana wo hia hospitalization ana wo hia ya na ya refer.
Okay.
Enti GP no ye ba bia edi kan say ye ho dodo e kakra bia obedi kan attend to ansa na say who yare ne ye kese nso a then you go to the hospital.
Oh.
Nti GP ho no ye engine pan to ho. Me fa
Okay.
say your OPD session.
Okay. Now, ohwe Ghana nurses a na ohwe UK nurses a. On say Ghana mo ranks no ekosen. Oye nurse na be sen senior nurse na be den.
Ghana almost the see always nursing officer, senior nursing officer, ba could be saying nurse
Nursing bi. Okay. All right. 7 say well, say what free system. Now, what about UK a? Ohwe sa ne nkrabata na ebi o UK sa. Ebi a oye nurse na wo okọ
UK so ye will ranks nurse and ranks sa e wo hanom. Iti no obia be sha say free their friend no after say watch your exams in the way where you fully registered. No be sha say free their friend no band 5.
Okay.
Iti band 5 no free ho a we adwuma kakra then now I apply say better have position better have band 6 better now I apply be ko interview. Okona efa then you move from band 5 to band 6.
Okay.
And also we and this is Ghana then automatic qualification. This is Ghana then we are 3 years. So you know 3 years you are being promoted to maybe a senior staff nurse. Be after another 3 years so could be a nursing officer. But had the antisa. So you know 1-2 years na position in better na share now wait me apply I'll go interview na or now ye competent. You do be call band na wo concern ranking na person wo kon.
Oh, okay. So they will see ka say there. Ghana na oye adwuma wo hospital ben.
Oh, Ghana, na me more Girls Municipal Hospital, yeah.
And na
Well, I have
o free na rank say.
me free or na me nursing officer, yeah.
Eh, na say o nya ni packet asa.
All right. Yeah, she don't point. See, I'm quite ni.
Onya ni packet asa. Okay, yeah compare UK ne Ghana nursing omo healthcare system yi. Yeah nhwe video we na kire wa adwen ho. Tie video ma mesisi ya na
We are just pleading on the government to pay us. We've been working for 10 good months, no salary. Personally, my rent expired in 15th August. I've not been able to pay. My landlord is always asking, when are you paying? I'll be like, they'll pay us. Please give me time. I stay at Spantine. I wake up Kolebu. I take transportation, 42 cities to work every day. How do they expect me to get that money to come to work? You go to work, doctors will write. Check patients' vitals, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Do RBS, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You bath patients, you tend patients every 4 hours. I'm doing all this just for the minister to tell me that he appreciates the work that I'm doing. Appreciation, babe. I don't understand. Which form of appreciation? How can somebody work and you tell the person I appreciate you for 10 good months? I can't stand it. I'm owing rent. What should I do to be able to pay my rent? I don't understand. They should pay us. Enough is enough. I'm tired. Enough is enough. They kept me rent as so 15. What the crowd? I don't know. You can't even ask somebody for money. The moment you test somebody, the person will be like, "You're coming for money."
Apani, asam na reho. My Suame papa me no ani so nyina.
Reho.
Enti, sa wo de ho hye ne shoe suma, say na fail with baby a waduri. Say na ho no. Say baby a we, e betime sisa wo. UK betime
Oh, to start with, I need the intimacy crowd or Hanum. Adewe, ya. Na, ya said me can we. Ye na we went through Saturday way. Na da ben na Saturday way to betra. Because said they now cano. Me ka ye almost 7 months na into a kada. Na there ye wo mo kra so they say. At the end of it all no say we ya clearance na we ya bibia wie nso a nipa na obema sika na aba no so je se okwohye ne mfunum ansa na watimema wo pay aba. Enti people are sitting on the job because they want us to come and give them something. Ansa na omo aye adwuma they are paid to do. Minia adwuma ye tua okase ye adwuma we. Na clear nipa we muna mugu ministry or muna muyese munyi because answer na ban be for nipa adwuma no sa ban no ahwe ne kofesim.
Yeah.
Enti se wo ban se wonim se wahwe okofesim wonim se nipa no ubetua omoka mit ubenya scan atua and now for mo a omo tenase for so many months without paying them. Na sabio yenyi ka sika kra de nipa no ko adwuma ondidi enya hodi na odi adwuma o peja nurse adwuma adwuma it's so frustrating seriously anytime I come across some of these things na me I don't know what to do and because minim how it's going to be solved because I say abine after abine after abine after abine it continues. It's not changing today and meaning what you even say again.
Okay, tie we ka ho.
Kawo kofie, me kwa dem me ho amabo che obi oduma. Bra, me ya national service, betina me sika. Amada, me travel so we so paya. Sika na ama, ani asa post me 10 months. Me sika nsa ama. Adai. Ani awaba posting dey no ntimi nchia mako controller ti mi sika obi anje na mo ministry of health for mo na wasam activate me biometric mi chakwa ministry for na bro san we so hye nyame anim e na kwaprinti we mi printi ni nyina beti na mi sika na mi dey report na ase na ya post me 10 months ense nchia meka na se mi sika no me national service no enipa na age dia nyame betua ne ka obetua ne na se
like say yeah part was a move for my own yeah ejuma ya serve on my Ghana e hu sika na hwe and say ye tina hayo bla and say ye tina hayo ya kete we ya boye fi say enra nyina me say enra be say 7 to 6 mo me sim Kumasi e de bedru ha me ya didi ye na ye say come na ende me bla sika wa hia me kwa body aba JM is this the change we voted for? Is this the change we voted for? Kando
Girado hada na waye mudisa enti ohwe sede enoma esi ekoya say baby a nyankopon de wadru what na wo hwe bibi say how do you feel like I was saying say enti your mind Ghana pa you respect nurses ni
And then me, like I say, we don't respect nurses, yeah, nurses. Na then I'll dream what I want to say. So, nipa, what for nipa juma, wa ye juma, wa render a service. And see, you have to do the other part of yourself. So, also to yaneka because means I am not means
okay
yes.
yeah UK ohwe mu treatment how mu see ebu nurses for it say
Make us say it's far better than what nurses were receiving in Ghana. E ha no kra nye nurses nko a e adwuma bia. Say we cleaner, so ye wine, so ye obia ye buno because yeah we don't look down upon obi say we in adwuma o ye ne ehun hye dan hia enti bosome so a ye betwe we no muka ye ntwe we no muka. So far as we get money for the ministers, so far as we nye sketria MPs ne ka no because say ye ka kra ye fa nkrofo we no madwuma ansana MPC or parliament yes say we omo share adwuma se
yeah
enti MPC ye ntwe omo ka na
ya twa moka
aha ministers no say atu omo ka enti say waka say clearance ni ho clearance no na samra just because samra ye MPs no dey na clearance ho dada because these are new MP for no mo aba enti we no me form na clearance ni ho we MP ya dey na si so January any dem much money clearance am or to pay them. This does not make sense seriously. Say ye pese ye man ye na yeah ye problems as a country ye wo toda ye problems but some of these basic things we shouldn't miss it. These are basic things that as a country say wo miss na I say edwani munyame history from because we are proud to be Ghanaians. We are proud of what our subsequent governments have been doing. We are proud of what our current government is doing. But some of these basic things, no, it should be looked at because and yeah, nurses teachers if also come home because me teachers
yeah
so there now no me doctors so they almost say 10 months in here. This is so frustrating because if someone is working, the person should be paid. Yeah, and see, say free ho. Now they be free ho, so they are be share as a free ho because answer na abai be funny pan. You know, say you have money to pay for these people. Was cancel their then so when you form one, the process should be quick. And you say you far away as I say na for crata we debi anything ye bibia online because previously no na the finances are and online ye pencil ye bibia online enti dey na we here you have all the information you have everything online so bibia pese wo ye bia no obetimi aye and so fa car bra kan ko 20 people we bra for we ko ha na take you 1 year. It's so bad. It's so frustrating.
Ojidi say because of this kind of treatment yeah edema Ghana for healthcare workers in Intina ama oko hospital or Ghana omuntu omo nhwe wona na obeti say okwa nurses for omo ni tema man patients che say omo mfi ukura wo de he na no kura na esi wo range hospital Minister for Health.
Right.
I can't copy more on here, you know. Mean so witness say obi emergency aba there's all magic card and sani ahwe no. Nipa ni wu pa unye card dem show you get say. Ana say na oji asem ifa.
I'll meet me aka say e ka ho bi because yeah when for club we say you fa you fu pan and sha ban you say I think yeah that. Enti say nipa na ekomo na ofifie ba ne bu afu. Enti ontimi nyini ye minye ejuma. So it's part of it. Enye ni na de bi wo so ya na equipment na ni ho ebi nso ya system failure system na nkasa na afeli but metimi aka say eno nso eka ho kakra enti ya na healthcare workers etoda omo output no amount for who say and shed down so nisa and also bit ebe kan kakra tisa
ana
sana kafta
the emergency ba ya koje card aba system no.
that kind of system no I think by now esenka Ghana you do that system no because they say even before I be free Ghana so 2021 na year war ye free full folder ako paperless. This is na ye free folder ako paperless ya na che say ye chen say ye patients ni na information o mu bibia wo computer so. This say patient ne ba ehun hia say bi e folder ezenka oba na ye bo pa information yi aba we should be able to take care of the patients without say kofa because this bureaucracy system no a hard drink kakra it delays chromo ha no ye folder yeah ye folder but sa process ya be form to say bia ye be hwe say ye say we na show first ye say we na show second ye say we na show third and also ho because they said they're not rough we can was maybe or ha the end and make us say majority of the people who need education about how the healthcare system also works because obi a call hospital ana rush call hospital ana or per se odru ho na ebia ye hwe no instantly but can we say nipa na o hwe no nurse ni ana doctor ni no wo third eye bia se bi won so wuni nti first or basic assessments the say hospital be and say the patient be ba e kan basic assessment no ansa na you so okay wo bit me atna ha wo brame show wo bit because any day ha cry wo ha I friend triage medically triage system and no ha cry wo ha but Ghana there no bi so ha yen triage o cry yen show cry wo ba akoyi paper card
Right.
which delays a lot and also my patient relatives ni patients and so be agitated like a ma bufonia nti me twa no ha ne ha ebi o ha a patient relatives no na omunim how the system works and ebi ni so ha ye system na afailure you say oba akoyi food and na be a delay these things it should be able to be done because say na ye can ye wo computer system na bibia wo computer so ye copy palace enti ye say patients ne bedru ya ye boshi my we should be able to retrieve all the information and do whatever is necessary to be done.
Okay. All right. Master say obetwe uti abakakra na wo ye referee screen him. Na
Okay. Is it better now?
yenhwe nurses for abrabo UK. Mejiri say Ghana for do na wo ho. Na minim say modwuma no so so demanding. Timo Ghana ko bi sa as a nurses for motimi share di nkomo mo fa plans bi se mo ba beboa Ghana ye healthcare system na ana mo yimani tese mo do su konti mo yi Ghana mo yi amana
There be
because se mo nyina motimi boa
yenyi Ghana my Ghana de your crew but association be wo hosa they are maintain and as I'm talking now I haven't joined any association of such but say e bin wo hosa so they are not I'm happy to join to help Ghana health system no dey I think I deal with idea nida obia who said the identity this is how it's supposed to be done and say thought that guy na work na I start because I don't know obia ni say ni ya ebe ye and so obia yi nani because of obia pedinti the obia passion in minti politics ne sa na nti ama what is supposed to be done the problems ni be bree if we directors of free directors so ka yi hospital ho na nkasa nse we nye say kanina hospitals na nkasa omo manage hospitals na nkasa no sika eba hospital nka you say internally generated funds na say what be scan ka say eba ye de ye hospital ye de eboa ma nema na eba e fa amanfo nsato nti ama system no intimi improve do so near my senka. Yeah, they my patients. Yeah, patients in a break. At the end of it, all because they have no patients, if you live more, because patients, they receive everything they are supposed to receive. But Ghana no, and I'm say system now feeling patients if nyanya yes and komunya nina. Yeah, no more money break good the people who take care of them. But normally no problem in from because I
Oh,
mean bana me can say mini gloves I mean the ejuma na enyen right. Say nurse ni because say being fat gloves and brand na bibisa. But nipa no so one fat gloves na monya gloves in function. So you see how the system is. It is a nurse you can say cover gloves but me quite a nurse ni say me got gloves and brand. You see how the system is.
yeah.
It's time be omudo money break good nurses ni doctors no so meanwhile system na fairly.
Oh, I see. Wow. Enti yen hwa de me hwa wa o ye nurse. Said the nkomo ekoi. Wa kwadre mu with a lot of experiences. Me hwa eye abodwe se ne otiri ho a me sure say Ghana nkomo ba twa so papa.
And they no crack.
Nti e ba ne say na wotimi di we nam wo UK.
A hundred dear on shed that far say oh yeah rasta say why two say what bow soon and shed who in here mo sa they hear money the output care now they my patient because I say nurse is a we are compassionate. Yeah, meet me a rasta, meet me a bomosum, meet me a PSA, but now me are so compassionate. And no mu here, they just need the output of my work and yeah senior mercy addressing me religion and I say me sit here and who say share in here mo sa Ghana no yeah we share sa near money p but a honey dear omo share that omo share near wo they back on board no that's the most important thing. Yeah. And
Because
in tia, maybe them are calling me tia to travel ya go me through one feed me call me metro. I say, oh, today you are looking so nice. I say, wow, I'm looking so nice. Ghana and Kasa say, my yemiti, the year for form. Oh, Charlie. The Ghana and Kasa say, chima boss so giddy. To
enti
office.
enti die enti na ye ho sa. Because on say me kai se mrebi ye call a regional health directorate ewo edum na ye ko hu panyibi wo ipa na me ko no nche uniform ya o mama na ma anwuram yes wo
Look at
nko
this.
no nko she uniform no mra
Meanwhile, also in your workplace.
there
So
be
what is the
I was
person
so the uniform
using the
ebi
uniform
remo
for? Health
enti no
directorate.
die enti me da me mentias yo die enti no mo wa bo hwenim 1000 why she wani achi be ehemfa ne a o ma wo de ye adwuma na ye no na se girado wo hwe enkoma ye dia bibia esua free UK fo yi ho
Exactly.
ntade na no de ye free ana ye de ne esua atra ye gyae a
Make us a hypocrisy nyatrim. I think that's the right word. And it's sunyatra no so ka ho. Hypocrisy means say ye pese ye chere say ye de ya ne ye suro nyame ye ne the best people ye suban ye best ya adwen so ne say o so obi aboni nhwini mu obi aye ne tie ne ni suban de nye saa na ye dwen. Meanwhile, adwene is different from fashion and the nipa na ye no ho no. The why no ho ne de no me guys say maybe na ma share me cake bi na me ko adwuma na prisoner ba ko aba me hwe wonka wonu ntum na me ne me senior ba ko band 7. Prisoner say, is it allowed for NS to put on this kind of foot? And I'm say, yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Me senior no band 7. There's nothing wrong with that. Now, Kwan him him. Some my oh, it is Anna. Stop prisoner no so ye crew for bia. Unti no na adwene odi free ye crew mu na bi no de ba ha nti.
yes
Aha. Nti
anti
sa
ye krom for ne bi gugo
oh when they were bia. Then they were be omo. Okay,
I
home
see
bia.
enti aya omo harass mo de
Oh, security sense on the idea come on.
Come on. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. All right. Until at a sense, I'm you're sure most are condemn
So
us. You don't, you're probably going to be sir.
I had we had the is very is so different. I had no you was single or more monk that was single. So I think the majority is two. But or more different prison settings or more category A, B, C, D, E. Nti category biara ne the kind of nipa ye de omo kɔ hɔ. Nti your prisons will ha ebia ye condemn. But I no kwa minji ni say the nipa 10 and 5 and ibegu dan baakum. A omo di omo aye sa omo di sa bone no mbone ne so. Nti didi so saa ene omo bone ne so kwa omo nti eguguma hodo bebree. Yeah, so more different kinds of prisons, different kind of different categories, but the men who the fa me and son nine no men good time back.
Not just say, treat you, come on.
Oh yes, so
Did no more pomudin because some day I didn't necessarily I be go where I show me dear. And then say, Ghana there, some Cassia Pao, open
Juma no.
Unum say, Nanu Yana,
Juma
ya two more feeding fee from one city, 80%, I 5 cities.
5 cities.
And to one omudi how many times? And pay you.
I mean, I know very
Special, and you pay.
Special, Mokojia, is a muda board in Bibi, pa, more chilly.
Or not to me to soon obedi.
I say,
Hey!
say diet and be a anyway.
No
Be
choose.
a tray. It's a tray or qua, no two or qua no choose and then the
Oh, there be. Open. All right. Yemfiri hɔ no hɔ de sensitive issues yemfiri hɔ. Yemra your friend say. O 6 months na obeduru na udinya opin no. Pese ye kasa kyerɛ obi a ɔhwɛ ya. Pese o motivate nipa no. Enema ben ade gu akwama within 6 months. Ultimate dey prepare ya woda so ye adwuma o. It because o ye adwuma asa prepare for exams enye better. Na what me dey affirm now within 6 months. What me dey ajupin my magic no.
Makes me like I say, I think the first thing, first thing American can perseverance. Say because say we been say who persevere because any na be smooth. Some of the process they do be a bit flat kakra. But when you are doing so person or any there, I say by hook or crook. Oh yeah. Secondly, make us say I didn't know your dream, and we shouldn't also be content with whatever we have. So for instance, what balance if you are band three na be a uji you first pay no say pay there. Me the call Ghana sika mu mudo kan we say scan so di no krom ya Ghana sika na we di no. Enti me the call Ghana na mudo pa enti ne mentena ha kakra. Wani be ba won so na mre na ekọ. Enti say you shouldn't be content with what you have. Nti near who no ubedru ya challenge you say what I have say more band 4 me pese me ko band 5 more band 5 and pese me ko band 6 more band 6 so you challenge yourself and then work hard and it me work hard and yeah na mentanga because Ghana we all work hard and we know how to work hard until we get say Ghana ya kwadwo and it menjintum we are very hard workers nti and no, dear, I do say majority will know how to work hard, but a lot of I say getting the information, not satisfying with where you are, but we are want to send a woman when ninja. Ewo ha obeye se me pray akomanim ele se obe persevere obe yire wo ho se die besi bia no me feel a mekomanim me feel a mekomanim me feel a mesin akọ. And when you keep on doing that, definitely you're gonna get there. Ubedru, yeah, new baby, we still have a long way to go, and we are still on it.
No, I see. Wow. Now, a very expensive one.
it depends. Say if it's being sponsored by, and then at near masters, but if it is being sponsored by the care home, then expensive. You don't pay anything. But I say, oh yes, self sponsorship. I think approximately, if I say, be 1,500 to 2,000 pounds a day.
Best spending.
Obe spend, but won't you boom? Obe in kakran, you know.
Okay.
And ye giddy biasa.
Okay. Now, say now ka say no man sesa. Nti say obi hwe o Ghana o nurse ni obese ode ba futu be na do ma no. Akwanche be na do ma no. Say den no
Okay.
betimi aye.
All right. So as I was saying, and then they ask kakra because they say ye sheda mefa nipa free Ghana mobile to say the friends ni nya ye no a mo be fa ye de ba free no. And then ayedin inti say uda so Ghana now still you want to be registered with UK now ye adwuma UK. I think for now the only option and now the best option they say obe self sponsorship no.
Okay.
With my process na say e wo Ghana with my tro IELTS no any CBT no wo Ghana now I apply visit visa into that one also will be another day if you want us to talk about how the person can get a visa here to continue with the process into say when you have visa na now about betro na exams no kroma into ba betro OSCE no. Now about be fully registered. Now you are a band 5 nurse. Now what they should more chrome here. Until since you have 6 months, because this are now yeah, majority need 6 months. So wait him the 6 months not now you share Juma because it's obeying Juma. Then you go back to apply for the work visa and come back.
Okay. Nti say onya OSCE ni dia eno me fan say onya opinion na akọ back dia betimi dey apply e dey aba direct.
Obetim they apply there. Obetim can apply with promo because the visa is 6 months.
Okay.
So obetumi into obetumi into obetumi apply a juma no wo chrome have for 6 months actually. Into say within 6 months no tie ye na unya juma obekọ ga obetuma because visit visa yentimi in sciences and work visa wo chrome have you. It used to be but no more. Into obesia ko Ghana now the COS no apply then to you come back as a fully registered nurse with either NHS trust and a care home unyae.
Oh, okay. Okay. And yeah, I think say you bepem emre foforo na yetimi edi sa enkomo no edi ewrem details na me sra ahwefo say aha eye COVTVGHANA onso pese ya no twetwe nkomo bi say ya number na go screen ase no Ghana Beyond Borders. Now enti say o social media handles bi ana o ta chechere microphone no ma bi ana ana wo de emre no so ade beto manim.
Medical Miss camera TV, everyone can say the Baba. Miss camera TV, Anna. Mean to be church about for cancer, come at church at your pap. But with social media, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, ni na Akwesi Geraldo.
Okay. All right. Timoko hwe Akwesi Geraldo a mo sabeka no ewo Topanyi we de medawase na ne kura ansa na meja mo akọ me one question ana mpese mbusa wo.
Okay me.
Me ye tatete social media so ana UK nya emo bi ama UK asem no kura ben ne wo on your point one kasa point of view because obi ane na adwene kan wo de tiawa 1 minute
me kasa me de 1 minute obi ane obeka say UK nya obi ka say UK nya me ne no beje chinje. It all depends on what you're coming to do and how you will do it. We are say baby anye ene baby anso ye. Se me ka say baby anye ene baby anso ya ni na ye what you are going to do. Any senior obese yeah over come there are a lot of stuff taxes enema bibra so de pressure bibre eba but ni na chino so you also have other stuff that you can also benefit. And yes, a benefits will be with your musica, but then a name will be because the wood tria ho cano. Unya and also emfaso kakra. Yeah, maybe na complain is a UK all because na adwea na eda nipa trim no na nipa dwen say abrochie no de te say kuro bi aduru so a na wanye ska na
Yeah,
ye say
yeah,
wo kofi
yeah.
aha but hanso te say Ghana na de bia sa na meka chiro bia hanso te say Ghana na hanso you go through all the process no te say de wo Ghana wo be ye adwuma ye beto tax wo be kwa aba wo de bibetua dan ka wo de bibetua bibibia so di tua na waboaboa skana no nkakra de ze ne awo Ghana nka abeboaboa do nkakra no and enti se wo ba na uhu where you are na se uhu ne wo ye wadwuma wo ye na umie wani a nkakra wunya no se ne na wo Ghana na wo dwen no and they wunya but nkakra no you get there you get ne na wo pese ba bia pese oduro no you get there enti me nka se UK enye ena so obi so e wo fie no so dwen se obedru UK obeye a eno so onyi sa adwen infinity because obedru UK onye ye you have to go through the process to be where you want to be sana we are say sana tie
All right. Opanyin Gerardo, ya do besi ase na ye besan e de ehye mu foforo. Medase. Bye
that's a
bye.
boss that's a piece out on frame
All right, bye.
ya men come on all
Ye
right
from me chairman aha eye COVTVGHANA eye dwumadie foforo de abaya to din Ghana beyond borders menua Ghana for a mo akwantuo mu anase mo eye Ghana man mu hase ye pese woni ye ehye eye real life experience ewo akwantuo mu na onso utimi de ehye obi foforo enkran se eye akwantuo mu asetena mu nsem eye school komo visa semu eye adwuma semu aware mu semu anase nsem bi a wate a eye afoforo bi ka eye na okra eye wona wo anu ye bebre wo afuto bebre wo adwenkyere bebre ye ma wo sa akwanya no fa ye WhatsApp number na ego screen ase no na ni ye ni nsa wo so na ye moa na eye Ghana community kasi ya ye ye connect obi a e wo wiase afa na nyina get connected na fa number no na ye ni enkomo medamu nyina mate